Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do the if I was TikTok trend using Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a design on my Canva, and as you can see guys, I have imported my photos or my pictures to this Canva design. For example guys, I'm going to create if I was TikTok trend for the animal category. So here I have added a lot of animal pictures. I'm going to use all these pictures to create if I was an animal. I will be like that. And then you can create your own category. For example, you can make if I was a flower, or if I was a fruit. It's up to you. And here I'm just going to make if I was an animal. Okay, and then I'm just going to add page again. You can add the photos as much as you can. Okay, just like this. This is how you can add your photos quickly. Okay, and I think that's enough just for an example. And I'm going to change the duration guys. For the duration, I'm going to make it short. Okay, I'm going to change the duration right here. We can go to the edit timing, and I'm just going to make it 0.1 second, and I'm going to apply it to all pages. Okay, now it's done guys, and then I'm going to play it to show you. Okay, the result will be like this. The more photos you add, the better result you will get. And I think I still need to add photos because the transition will be so quick. So we need a lot of photos to create this trend. Okay, I'm just going to do the same. Okay guys, and since this is just for an example, so that's okay. The photos is just like this. Okay, and once you're ready to save it, you can click on share, and then you can click on download to get this video. And for the TikTok video, don't forget to set it to the mobile video, so you will get the 9:16 ratio. Okay, and I'm going to play it once again. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create if I was TikTok trend on Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.